this is a really big box, so I have to make some room. How do I get around it? So, how do I open this thing? Open, manual, lift. Let's do that. I don't see the manual. I guess we're winging it. It's on this side too. I always have to hand it to Sony because the way they package their stuff is just so good. I didn't find any instructions. So I'm gonna have to try to figure out. I'm gonna lift this side up first, slide it out, and then tip it so I can try to figure out which leg goes where. I'm assuming this is the right one because it has LR on it and the other one has LL. So we're gonna put this one on the right side, but we gotta figure out which way it goes in. This is a really interesting leg. Like, look at this. This is like a heavy duty leg. It still doesn't tell me how this goes in. Oh, I'm doing this by myself sucks. Oh, clips in with weight. That's actually pretty cool. It says not to put weight on it or any pressure on the front. I feel like I need help. Other side, this way. I totally got this, guys. Oh, no. Move it very gently. Gotta kick it. Oh, okay, I got it. Whoa. Okay, you gotta check this out. It's like hot in here. Hey, look how thin that is. That's actually pretty thin. I think I need to like pick it up from the bottom right and like slowly turn it. Wow. You gotta clean up a little bit. I gotta put those clips back in. Whoa. That was actually really simple to put back. Okay, let's talk ports. Okay, you got 2 USB ports, you have digital audio out, you have 4 HDMI 2.0s, an Ethernet port, an RS-232C, and an IR in. You also have connection for cable. On the other side is where the power cable goes. Inputs on the left, power on the right. You also get a remote with the TV. Whoa. And we gotta go through the setup process. With newer TVs, make sure to update the software. Okay, let's talk specs. It's a 4K LED UHD Smart Google TV, which basically means it's gonna look good. And one of the best things is I can AirPlay from my phone, which means easy to watch anime, because I watch a lot of anime, like a lot. It also has a 120Hz refresh rate for those gamers out there. We unboxed the PS5 Slim, and we unboxed the TV, so I think you guys know where this is going. But there's the Bravia XR X90L.